Hi, hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to see deleted message on Discord in easy way. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps in this process. Now let's jump into the video. The first thing we need to do is open up your browser and search for Lightly's Better Discord stuff. And click on this GitLab and you will be directed in this page where you can find the Message Logger V2. So you just scroll down till you find this plugin here and then saves all deleted and purged messages as well as all edit history, ghost pings, so you can just restore all the deleted messages. So download this one, and once you downloaded this one, let's go over to the Discord. And right from here, go to user settings, and at the left side of your screen, go to the plugins right here, and then click on page plugins folder, or you can copy the folder here. As you can see, you just want to open this one or just need to actually open this one and click this OK button. And from here, if we go into toggle on this plugin right here, so we will try to enable this one, then the message show up right here. You just need to download these two plugins and then click on OK. And then once you downloaded this one, you can now go to open plugins folder and find the plugins right here. So we just have to copy and paste from the download folder. So for example, this one, click on cut and gonna paste it right here, and then plugins folder. So once you've done right here, as you can see, it will automatically view on your Discord plugins. As you can see here, once you've done right here, so all you need to do is you can actually enable this one, or you want disable, and then here you need to click this update all. Now let's try this one on this chat. Let's go click this OK right here, then go to message box and type hello. So if we type right here and try to delete this one, as you can see, it will not be totally removed on your chat, but it will be highlighted in red, meaning it was deleted. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.